just come out from court. The court has delivered its judgment, and it has found that the appeal lacks merit, and we have dismissed the appeal. We would have expected the court to go into the reasons for dismissing the appeal or for finding that the appeal lacks merit. And we are disappointed that those reasons were not availed, in spite of the fact that council spent a long time yesterday delivering their submissions, and we expected that the court from those submissions would be able to give us sufficient reasons why they found that the appeal lacks merit. However, our legal team had prepared sufficient contingent funds, which we will avail to you in due course. We will be calling a press conference for us to update you on the next plan, on the way forward coming from this. This is definitely not the end of the road. We are still persisting with the fight to be included, to see President Saviour Kasukuwere included on that ballot. So we will be letting you know, we will be updating you on the next stage after this.
Have you not? Are you not running out of time?
Definitely, there's no such thing as running out of time when you are fighting for justice and when you're fighting for democracy. It is President Saviour Kasukuwere's constitutional right to stand as a presidential candidate, as well as the right of the citizens of Zimbabwe, the multitude of Zimbabweans who also wish to vote for him. So as we are fighting to protect those rights, we will do everything that is available to us in terms of the laws and in the constitution, and using other means as well to make sure that democracy prevails at the end of the day.
Well, I think the first thing for me to say is the outcome of the appeal itself. You were in court and you heard that the appeal was dismissed. We're not given any reasons why the appeal was dismissed, but we're told that the reasons are going to follow. But as a prelude to whatever that I'm going to say, I must mention that as a nation, we are on an eve of a constitutional and electoral crisis, because we have the apex court, which is the constitutional court, and we have received instructions immediately from our client to take up the next available step in order to make sure that he remains on the ballot papers. So I wouldn't say we are out of time in order to protect the best interest of our client. We didn't sleep. We have papers in our bags, and they will be found. Unfortunately, I cannot put all the cards for you to see what we are going to do, but surely this decision is going to be challenged in no time, I must say.
And the court has ruled that they will provide the reasons for their decision, and you definitely need those reasons for you to lodge.
Well, in a matter of public importance like this one, you would expect, with respect, that the court gives you the reasons for dismissing the appeal. But then the court chose to go the other way and say that the reasons are going to follow. But we do not need the reasons, because what we're challenging is not the reasons of the court, but we're challenging the order itself. So with or without the reasons, we'll be able to navigate. In fact, today we will navigate, and our client will be back on the ballot papers.